Bro, this is amazing. Holy cow, bro.
Full gazy, okay, let's check it. Yeah, let's check it. Full gazy, it's too crazy. Oh yeah, these shoes made me go far, man. I was really going hard, man. This a freestyle for you, man, and only you.
This is a tour, guys. You ready? Good luck. Not sure if you guys can hear it, but we got the tour guide with like 30 people that he's giving a tour to. But this is it so far. I see some water. Yo, we are here, guys, Niagara Falls. Wow. That's so cool. Look at the camera. It's cool?
Yeah.
This is wild, kid. I got the death grip on this GoPro. We ain't letting this go. You heard?
Net görüyor musun? Esiyor. Yok bunlar üstümüz bayağı falan ıslanacak. Evet.
Oh, I feel sprinkles.
Bro, we going over there, bro, straight ahead. See that? That's gonna be crazy. You better put your phone away, son. That's gonna be crazy, son. Bae,
It feels so
Allie,
good, Haley.
put your phone away. Bro, son. Tell them they're not put their phone away.
It feels so good. Whoa!
Haley, what's good?
It's so cool. Haley.
Oh, here we go. Here we go, E. Again when the water gets inside, right? Whoa, it's windy! Whoa! Whoa! Put your phone away! Put your phone away! Put your phones away! Wow, that's crazy. This is crazy! Hey, yo!
I got wet.
Allah görüyor. Oh, this is so sick. We're out here deep in the jungle. The waterfall jungle. course it got wet. What you expect?
Expected not to.
There's a little bit behind us. It's very thick now.
Oh, this is cool. What an experience. I can't. I'm recording. Try this.
Should we do it after?
Wow. Bro, y'all don't know what just happened. Bro. I might need a new hole. There she is. It's cool, right?
The mist is over there, so we could get some water.
You know? Where we at, guys?
Niagara Falls.
Whoa.
Oh, we have to go down
Careful,
there.
careful. You're gonna drop that cup, bro.
We have to go down there. Yeah, we gotta go down there. Yeah, we gotta go down there.
Ready? He's gonna drop it. We're gonna drop it.
We gotta go down there. Yeah, let's go down there. Yeah, we have to go.
Yeah, we gotta go there in 8 minutes. Alright, guys. This is where we at, man. I believe that's the bridge to go from New York to Canada, right over here. We out. We live. I don't want to bust my ass. I don't want to bust my ass. See if I can show you guys. Hold up. The bridge from New York to Canada. I think I'm getting it right. It's pretty sick, man. It's a good experience for sure, man. Really good experience. Damn. This is where I'm at. This is where I'm sleeping tonight. Among the mist. Cave of the Winds. Niagara Falls. She's raining like she's in a ship. Alright, this is it. Careful. Wow. Whoa. Wow, this is so sick. Wow, guys. Excuse me. Wow. Yo, this is sick.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yo, get the water.
Yeah. Holy cow. I got you.
No, stop.
I got you.
Stop. You're gonna drop it.
I won't. Why would I do that? Haley, chill.
Can I get the water?
Wow, look at the rainbow, guys.
Yeah, that's standing the rainbow.
Yo, I can't see nothing. Wow, this is so cool, man.
It's a high speed. It's so cool.
So sick, right? The mist is crazy. The mist is crazy, man. The mist is crazy out here. Let's go. I can freeze it. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, freeze. We gotta go. What time we got? Yo, be careful. Oh, we got like 10 minutes. 11 minutes. Oh, 11 minutes. Bro, this is crazy, chat. The surrounding areas of Niagara Falls is crazy. However, inside Niagara Falls, the actual experience this is actually pretty freaking amazing. Holy cow. I feel like I'm in a storm. We're in a storm. We're in a storm. We're in the eye of the storm, guys. I don't know what to do, but we're in the eye of the storm. Holy shit. Holy shit. Yo, this is out of control. This is out of control right now. Holy shit. Wow. Oh, I'm sorry. Woo! What the hell? Whoa! Yo! Yo! What's going on right now? Holy cow. Bro, the rainbow is literally right here. I'm so scared, chat.
Your hair's ruined.
Holy cow. Bro, this is amazing. Holy cow, bro. your Uber home. Yo. Wow. Guys, as you can see, I am drenched. This one, right? I am drenched, guys. Dude, I wasn't expecting that at all. Wow. Oh God. You guys gotta check this place out, man. I'll show you again. Cave of the Winds. Absolute vibes. If you're gonna go to Niagara Falls, you gotta book right here. Absolutely amazing, man. Let me put my camera down. Yo. Guys, I am drenched. Absolutely drenched. You guys can see. Absolutely drenched, man. That was a vibe though. Straight absolute vibes. Well, how you felt about the experience?
That was so.
It was amazing, right? How'd you guys feel? How'd you guys feel about the experience? Let's go!
I got hit by a waterfall.
Let's go! That was right here, Cave Winds. She got. Hey, I feel blessed. We are blessed. Wow. Esto era tremendo, tremendo, tremendo. Qué esperanza más brutal. Unbelievable, man. Me ask my wife, man, what do you think?
Yo, like Maureen said, yo.
Whatever.
Yo, I felt like I was in a ship. It's going down. It's going down. Holy cow. That was awesome. Eso fue the headband.
That I wish that I did. My innocence been in the chat. I said, let's go, Pope. Americana, I'm really so scared and I